Hello, Delta Do-Yourselfers. Today we're testing a new Mountain Dew flavor named Mountain Dew Baja Gold. This may be a hot take, but I actually don't like soda. I don't drink soda ever. So I might not be the best person to review this, but Meatball, what's your experience with soda?
I'm not a super big fan of soda either, but the Baja have been kind of changing it up for me. Yeah, the new Code Red, I'm pretty alright with.
Alright, so is this just Baja Blast with pineapple in it? Or like other certain things? Probably.
Mm-hmm.
No bueno?
I don't taste... I'm not sure if I'm just crazy, but...
I taste the pineapple.
A little bit. A little bit.
I'm super tasting the pineapple. It's really good.
This tastes very similar to a Baja Blast, in my opinion. It's not bad, but I feel like as a pineapple, personally, I don't taste a lot of pineapple on this. A little bit.
It's refreshing. It's sweet.
I'll give this one like a 5. Like, it's not bad, but it's not the best soda in the world. I mean, I don't like soda really at all, so my review's probably not valid, but I'll give this like a 5 out of 10. Like, I can drink this and like continue drinking it.
I'd say it's a really good summer drink.
Yeah, with summer coming up,
Mm-hmm.
you know, just on the beach, just pounding these away. Well, yeah, I would have to give it a 5 out of 10 overall.
I will have to rank it an 8 out of 10.
Jeez, it's a banger.
Mm-hmm.
Way better than Juicy Fruit.
Anything is better than Juicy Fruit. Anything.
No, you know what? I'll drink the rest of this can.
Yeah, go for it. I mean, I'm not gonna have it, so go for it.